Your peace lily looks healthy, green leaves, no major problems, but it just won't bloom. No flowers. No white petals, nothing. And here's the frustrating part. Everyone online says it's easy. So why is your plant refusing to cooperate? What if I told you your peace lily isn't being stubborn? You're just missing one or two key things that completely control whether it blooms or not. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why your peace lily stopped flowering, and more importantly, how to force it to bloom again using simple changes anyone can do at home. No complicated tools, no expensive products, and stick around, because tip number 3 is the biggest mistake almost everyone makes, and fixing it can trigger blooms faster than you expect. Section 1. The light secret nobody tells you. Let's start with the biggest reason your peace lily isn't blooming: light. Here's the truth. Peace lilies are famous for surviving in low light, but surviving is not the same as thriving. And blooming? That requires energy. When your plant sits in a dark corner, it's basically in energy-saving mode. It focuses on keeping leaves alive instead of producing flowers. That's why you might see lots of green growth but zero blooms. To trigger flowering, your plant needs bright, indirect light. Think of it like this. It wants to see the sky but not be burned by direct sun. A spot near a window with filtered light is perfect. East-facing windows are ideal because they provide gentle morning light. If your only option is a darker room, you can even use a simple grow light to boost energy levels. Now here's the key. Don't shock your plant. If it's been living in low light for months, suddenly placing it in strong light can stress it. Move it gradually over a few days. Once your peace lily gets enough light, something amazing happens. It starts storing extra energy. And that extra energy, that's what fuels those beautiful white blooms. So if your plant looks healthy but refuses to flower, chances are it's not stubborn. It's just underpowered. Section 2. Watering mistakes that kill blooms. Next up, watering. This is where most people unknowingly sabotage their peace lily. Too much water? No blooms. Too little water? Still no blooms. Peace lilies are dramatic. They'll droop when thirsty and bounce back after watering. But here's the catch. Inconsistent watering stresses the plant, and a stressed plant will not focus on flowering. Overwatering is the biggest problem. When soil stays constantly wet, roots can't breathe. This leads to weak roots, and without strong roots, your plant doesn't have the strength to produce flowers. On the flip side, letting the plant dry out too often also puts it into survival mode. Again, no blooms. So what's the sweet spot? Let the top 1-2 inches of soil dry out before watering. Then water thoroughly until excess drains out. Always empty the tray. Never let your plant sit in water. Consistency is everything. When your peace lily feels stable and safe, it starts shifting energy toward growth and eventually blooming. Think of watering like building trust. If conditions are predictable, your plant rewards you. If not, it holds back. Section 3. The fertilizer trick that triggers blooms. Here's something many beginners overlook. Your peace lily might be starving. Even if the soil looks fine, nutrients get used up over time. Without enough nutrients, your plant simply doesn't have the resources to produce flowers. This is where feeding comes in. Using a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season can make a huge difference. It provides the essential nutrients your plant needs to build both leaves and blooms. But here's the trick. Don't overdo it. Too much fertilizer can burn roots and actually stop blooming altogether. A diluted solution works best. Gentle, consistent feeding over time. Now here's the powerful part. When you combine proper feeding with good lighting, you create the perfect conditions for flowering. It's like flipping a switch. Suddenly, your peace lily has the energy and the nutrients it needs, and that's when blooms start to appear. If your plant hasn't flowered in months or even years, this could be the missing piece. Section 4. temperature and humidity. Hidden bloom. Boost peace lilies are tropical plants, which means they love warmth and humidity. If your home is too dry or too cold, your plant might survive, but it won't bloom. Ideal temperatures are between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. Anything too cold can slow growth and stop flowering completely. Drafts from air conditioners or windows can also stress the plant. Humidity is another hidden factor. Dry air pulls moisture from the leaves, making it harder for the plant to thrive. To fix this, you can lightly mist the leaves. Place a bowl of water nearby. Use a humidifier. Group plants together to create a microclimate. When your peace lily feels like it's in a tropical environment, it responds with stronger growth, and yes, more blooms. Sometimes, the difference between no flowers and constant blooms is just a bit of extra humidity. Section 5. Patience, timing, and plant maturity. Finally, let's talk about something people don't like to hear. Patience. Not every peace lily is ready to bloom. If your plant is young or recently repotted, it may focus on root development instead of flowering. This is completely normal. Repotting especially can delay blooms because the plant is adjusting to a new environment. But here's the key. Once your plant matures and settles in, it becomes much more likely to flower regularly. Also, peace lilies naturally bloom more during certain seasons, especially spring and early summer, so if you've just started improving care, give it time. Plants don't respond overnight, but when they do, the results are worth it. Consistency beats quick fixes every time. So if your peace lily isn't blooming, remember, it's not random. It's all about light, water, nutrients, environment, and patience. And you'll turn your stubborn plant into a blooming machine. If this helped you, drop a comment below and tell me, how long has your peace lily refused to bloom? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my next video where I reveal houseplants that bloom effortlessly, even if you're a beginner. Your plants can thrive, you just need the right strategy.